Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make kulkul. Christmas is around the corner, and we all love to prepare different types of Christmas sweets. And this is the easiest one, yet very delicious. You can add this in your Christmas hamper. Watch my video carefully and get the perfect kulkul. I have taken 300 grams of flour, which is maida. Add salt, 1 teaspoon. Add 3 egg yolk. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. In order to make a perfect crispy kulkuls, watch the video carefully. I've taken 50 grams of semolina and 150 grams of sugar, which I have powdered with the help of a blender jar. Now, in order to knead the dough, I need coconut milk, which I've used half a cup. More or less, we need that much in order to make a perfect dough. So you have to add the milk little by little and check the consistency of the dough. We don't need very tight and we don't need very loose as it is. I've kept it little bit slight wet. Now you have to cover the dough and rest it for at least 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, knead the dough little bit and with the help of a fork, we need to make the shape. Now take small piece of a dough, roll it with the help of the oil and apply oil to the fork, otherwise it will get stuck. Spread it all over and then roll it out nicely. This is how you make kulkul shape. Once you roll, you need to press the edges. Slightly press them. That's how you make, and you need to finish all the dough giving this shape. Check how lovely it is. Now once you finish with all the dough, you have to keep the pan hot with oil and keep the flame on medium. We don't need the oil very hot and we don't need the oil very cold as well. A right temperature to fry them. If you have the oil very hot, what will happen is it will give you the color from outside and inside it will be raw. So slowly fry them and give a nice color. Don't wait till it becomes brown. Slightly golden brown is good enough. Later you'll have the color. Guys, thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. And stay tuned for upcoming Christmas recipes.